possible. Bridges defy gravity, railways conquer impossible terrain, and megacities springing up overnight. But how does it make this possible? The secret behind these astonishing achievements isn't just ambition or manpower, it's a fleet of extraordinary machines that have revolutionized construction. These cutting-edge technologies have turned years-long projects into mere weeks of work. We're talking about robots assembling entire bridges in midair as they work, or giant machines boring through entire mountains like paper tunnels. These machines are truly responsible for China's astonishing construction boom. And here's the most fascinating part. Not only are these technologies incredibly powerful, but no other country has managed to develop anything remotely similar on this scale. Today, I'm going to show you the 8 most impressive machines that are redefining global construction. And I'll give you a sneak peek. What number 1 is going to defy everything you thought was possible. Number 8, the ship that creates islands out of thin air. Can you imagine a machine that can create land where there used to be only ocean? The Tian-Kun, Hawa, nicknamed the Magic Island Maker, is Asia's largest dredging vessel and is literally redesigning the map of China. This sea beast is 140 meters long and 27.8 meters wide, but its real power lies in its ability to dredge 6,000 cubic meters per hour from depths of up to 35 meters. To give you an idea, it can fill an entire Olympic-sized swimming pool in just 20 minutes. How does this marvel work? The Tianqing house sucks sand, mud and rock from the seabed and pumps it through pipes to create new land. It has been instrumental in China's artificial island building projects in the South China Sea, expanding ports and creating new industrial zones on the coast. The ship cost an estimated $170 million and was launched in 2017. Its ability to create land where there was once only sea has made it a powerful geopolitical tool, allowing China to physically expand its territory and create strategic bases in international waters. Isn't it incredible that a single machine can change the geography of the planet? Number 7, the monsters that devour entire mountains. Get ready to meet the real construction monsters, China's giant tunnel boring machines, or TBMs. Measuring up to 20 meters in diameter and hundreds of meters long, these mechanical beasts look more like subterranean spaceships than construction machines. The Hangao Tunnel on the Tibetan Plateau, at an altitude of 3,000 meters, was bored by TBMs equipped with special cooling systems. In the Yellow River Tunnel in Jinan, these machines advance 15 meters per day, working beneath the riverbed. Most impressively, they are equipped with artificial intelligence for real-time monitoring. They analyze ground conditions, automatically adjust drilling speed, and can detect obstacles before they encounter them. They're like giant mechanical moles with super-intelligent brains. China now manufactures its own TBMs through companies like CIGIC, eliminating dependence on imports. These machines are building the metro systems of Shanghai and Beijing, literally creating underground cities beneath our feet. Number 6, China's precision machines. These are the most precise machines on the planet, industrial robots that manufacture perfect components. With no margin for error, China controls 40% of the global market for these machines, and they're the reason their mega projects are possible. Want to know how precise they are? These machines can cut, carve, and create parts with precision to within fractions of a millimeter. They're like digital sculptors that never fail, working with metals, composites, and ultra-complex materials 24 hours a day. Most impressively, they're equipped with artificial intelligence to predict maintenance before breakdowns occur. These intelligent machines communicate with each other wirelessly, optimizing production in real time and completely eliminating downtime. Companies like Shandong Hui Machinery manufacture 5-axis CNC machines that create components that are impossible to make manually, from the curved beams of skyscrapers to the pieces of the iron monster we'll see later. These machines are the brains behind China's entire construction revolution. Number 5, the 580-ton centipede that builds bridges. Meet the Iron Monster, a 91-meter-long, 580-ton machine that looks like a giant mechanical centipede. This beast completely revolutionized bridge construction in China, and the entire world was left speechless. The SLJ 900.3232 built the legendary 55-kilometer-long Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. Imagine, this machine literally walks on the bridge as it builds it, placing precast concrete segments with millimeter precision using hydraulic jacks. Revolutionary, it completely eliminates the need for cranes, scaffolding, or armies of workers. The iron monster moves section by section, placing each segment of the bridge like a giant puzzle being put together in real time. Developed by Beijing Wow Joint Machinery Company, this machine can operate over rivers, valleys, and congested highways where traditional methods would be impossible. It's literally a mobile bridge factory, turning years-long projects into months of work. Number 4. The humanoid robot that works in factories. Ubtech's Walker S robots are already at work in factories for companies like Volkswagen and NIO, completely redefining what industrial automation means. These humanoid robots stand 1.7 meters tall and are equipped with 36 powerful servo motors that give them exceptional dexterity and precision of movement. Their mission includes checking the correct operation of door locks, seat belts, and headlights, as well as applying company logos to vehicles. What makes them unique is their autonomous navigation system called Universal Simultaneous Localization and Mapping. This allows them to map routes, avoid obstacles, and recognize human faces, various objects, and complex scenes in real time. They can perceive their surroundings, identify objects, and interpret visual and acoustic signals. UBTC engineers are convinced that the future of humanity lies in the harmonious coexistence of humans and robotic assistants. Can you imagine arriving at work and finding a humanoid robot as your teammate? Number 3. The robot that lays 1,000 bricks per hour. Chinese engineers have unveiled the Hadrian X robot, an extraordinary machine capable of laying 1,000 bricks per hour. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000 bricks per hour. This mechanical beast can replace an entire team of workers and significantly reduce construction time. The system consists of a huge telescopic robotic arm mounted on a 25-ton truck with separately housed electrical equipment and control systems in a van. Before starting work, the robot checks the building plans, creates a 3D model, and organizes the entire construction process. Calculate which bricks to cut and where the remaining pieces can be reused to minimize waste. On average, Hadrian lays 150 bricks per hour, but at full speed he can lay up to 200 per hour. This amounts to between 100 and 2,000 bricks in a single workday, while a human bricklayer lays approximately 500 in the same amount of time. A special adhesive is applied to the bricks and the robotic arm places them under laser guidance with millimeter precision. Number 2. The giant printer that builds houses in 24 hours. Brace yourself for second place because this is going to blow your mind. 3D printing of concrete is one of the most exciting innovations in modern construction, and China is leading the revolution. A large robotic arm programmed with extra digital models of concrete in predetermined shapes, building walls and other structural elements layer by layer. Most impressively, a 3D printed house was recently built in just 24 hours. This technology can significantly reduce construction time and material waste, enabling innovative designs that would be difficult to achieve using conventional methods. We're not just talking about simple homes, but complex architectural structures with minimal human intervention. 3D concrete printing enables gravity-defying designs, geometries impossible for traditional construction, and all with a precision that no human could ever achieve. Robots can work in extreme conditions, tirelessly, creating stronger and more durable structures. This technology represents a sustainable and efficient alternative to conventional construction techniques and is set to completely revolutionize the sector in the coming years. Number 1. The swarm of drones that build skyscrapers on their own. We've reached number 1 on our list. Synchronized construction drones represent the ultimate future of automated construction. And what you're about to hear will shock you. These unmanned aerial vehicles work according to synchronized patterns and are designed to maximize safety on high-rise construction projects. Developers have created software that allows a group of drones to build complex structures completely autonomously. The ultimate test, A group of drones successfully built a 20-foot-tall tower with a complex design. The tower was constructed using hundreds of blocks that the drones precisely placed according to 3D models, without any human intervention whatsoever. The developers claim that today's drones are powerful enough to lift large building blocks. These machines can significantly reduce construction time because they don't require breaks, weekends, or nights of sleep. Thanks to their ability to coordinate and precisely follow the project plan, drones could soon become a common tool in real-world construction projects. This development could pave the way for the mass adoption of drone-assisted construction across the industry. Imagine swarms of drones constructing entire skyscrapers while we watch from below. What we've just seen isn't science fiction. It's the reality of Chinese construction in 2025. From robots that work around the clock without tiring to drones that build complex structures autonomously, we're witnessing a revolution that will forever change how we build our world. Are we prepared for a future where machines build our cities? What are your thoughts on this robotic revolution? Let me know in the comments below. Like if it impacted you as much as it did me, and subscribe as we continue to explore the most incredible technologies that are changing our world.